basically the initiative. We're going to make homemade Oreo milkshake, and we are going to, it's going to be really tasty. If you watch the video to the end, so that you know how it tastes. Oh, no, it's going to be tasty. So we need Oreos, which is the main ingredient, as if you didn't know, and also milk, which is also a main ingredient, which you didn't know. This is 1 cup milk. Along with that, we will need 5-star Oreos, and you can either get normal 5-star Oreo chocolates. You can get normal 5-star, or you can get dairy milk or anything. I chose this to pump up the Oreo flavor, and I have 2 here. So I have 3 packets of Oreos. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 packets, and we need chocolate sauce. I'm using the Hershey's syrup, and this one might sound like we don't need it, but we actually do. This is vanilla ice cream. The reason we need it is so that there's a balance between vanilla and okay, I'm just gonna get the ice, but there's a balance between vanilla and chocolate. It's not too chocolatey. And the last thing we need is ice. Oops, we need ice. I don't know where my ice tray is, so that's why. So let's start making this. So first of all, we'll dump in the milk. So I need a blender like this, and we're gonna blend it. So first of all, we're gonna dump cold milk in the blender like this. We dump our cold milk. Then we are gonna dump some chocolate syrup. I'm going to roll it in. Alright, and then we're gonna dump in our Oreo 5 stars. This is tasty. It's too tasty. We're actually gonna break it so that it blends in properly. So we're gonna put it in 3 pieces. Second one as well. One, 2, and 3. We got our 3. We got our 6 pieces of 5-star Oreo. Then we're gonna put in 1 packet of Oreos. This is vanilla Oreo also. I was supposed to buy chocolate Oreos, but it's okay, you can get anything. We will not be crushing our Oreos because we will be blending it. Already so they get crushed. Alright, 1 full packet of Oreos. We will be putting so we are going to blend it thrice. So we are going to blend this first, whatever we put here, and then also we are going to put a little more chocolate sauce to it to get the chocolatey. Alright, and then it's time to blend it. So we're going to close the lid and we're going to blend it. There's going to be a lot of noise. So it's not done yet. We have not put our vanilla milkshake in yet. So I have the same connection for my old also. So we're going to lots of the Oreo milkshake came out before. Oops. It's pretty messy. So this is the first time we blend it, so a lot of napkins here. So it's very messy. Messed up. Now we're gonna put, okay, we got it out. Now we're gonna put second, we're actually gonna use 2 packets only, and we're gonna use 1 packet for bunching. We're actually not gonna use the 3rd packet. We're gonna use half of this, and then we're gonna dump in our ice on the bottom of our ice cream. And then that blends it all. So we're gonna put this much in. So we're gonna put around 5 Oreos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm always open like I have it top. Mm-hmm. Now, so, what I ask you? Uh, I'm gonna work it. You need a spoon as well. So, try and scoop out as much of the vanilla ice cream as you can. Mm-hmm. And then we're gonna put in our ice. Oops. And put some water also in. Keep the ice melted. So, alright, we set that in. And put this. You know, okay, something did not. The ice is still not broken. So, alright, yeah, this is cold. So, open the lid. Voila, it's made. One full blend of. Oh, shit. Alright, I'll be cleaning that. Give me a sec, please. Alright, so I cleaned the area up. That was too messy. But we got our milkshake. I hope, yes, you can see it. We're gonna taste it a bit from, like, it's really frothy, it's really thick. This is an Oreo thick shake actually. So, now you get a cup like this. This is a country style quality. It's established in 1899. You open the lid. You open the lid. Let's get water in there. And then you just, and then you just, so I'm gonna be wiping this in, so this is this like washed just before this video. So. So the reason why I put the ice directly in this is because we have a lot of ice. But if you want, you can even put ice cubes. I was supposed to put ice cubes, but I misplaced my ice tray as I said. So, all right, we got it in. Yes. So this is cleaned. So now, of course, you're gonna show off on the internet. So for that, you need Hershey sauce. How do you need Hershey sauce for? Showing off on the internet. Is this? You are going to. I'm not the best at this, so if it comes out wrong, I'm really sorry. Alright, turned out pretty well. Alright, You need a design, right? So this is your design. So we're gonna put some. Yup. Here we are. This is our design. You just Now I'm really messy at pouring it. If it falls, I'm really sorry. Alrighty. Now we got it. Okay, it fell. Yeah, it did fall. Had to happen. Now let me just taste it. We didn't add any sugar and all because we already added ice cream and everything. Now we're just gonna put chocolate sauce. on it. And yeah, now let me clean the area because it is pretty, yeah, it is pretty bad. Yeah, got it ready. Okay, hold on, I need to clean this. So I'm using another cloth. So take a straw on this. So before we do that, I'm gonna click some pictures. So maybe I can show off on your day that I make this. So yeah, I click the pictures. Now it is time to taste the drink. Before that, we are going. So I put an Oreo also in this. So yeah, we still have half a blender left. So first we're gonna close off the cap. Okay, hold on. Yeah, a little tricky. So now we're gonna do this. We closed it, and now we are going to taste test it. Alright, so, try another. No. Alright, yeah. Our Oreo milkshake is ready. The ice cream was a great add to this. Reason being, it balanced the taste, and it is cold. It is like really tasty. I thought that I would be able to make this from milk. I did not. So, mm, I still have stock for the next one. I have stock for tomorrow, so I can bring this tomorrow also. Well, this was really fun. Yeah, we got some chocolate sauce. This was fun. This looks nice. And yeah. Mm. So, I'll see you guys next time. By the time I go finish the thing. See you.